Have you wondered how is it possible for me to set or for you to set a particular permission to a particular file? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually do that to a particular file. You need to maybe want to lock a particular file to be only be readable or only be writable. So that's basically what I want us to do in this particular video. And how can we do that? We're going to make use of another module called start, STAT, which is going to help us to implement this. I want to make use of our OS module. I'm going to make also use of that of start to implement this. And how can we do that? First of all, since I've imported our OS module here, let me also import that of start. This comes with Python, so you don't need to install it. If you are finding it hard to, if you don't have it for some reasons, just go to your command prompt, cmd. If you're on Windows, just type pip install start. That's just simple as that. In case if you don't have it and then hit enter. So how can we implement this? Let me comment this get out. Let me bring it up. How can we achieve this? We can say os.chmod, MOD. That's what basically what this means, to change mode. So I want to here I'm going to select a path that I want to change the mode of that file. So let me create a new file here. Let me come here and create something like a new file. Inside this YouTube folder, I can say testing.txt. For example, inside this file, I can write things and say welcome to Easy Kits. Like I can see, I can definitely write it without any problem. So, but what will happen if we change the mode to only read only? So let's go back. So inside, you are going to definitely just import it. This is our current working directory, so we don't need to look for the path file. So let me just copy it, just place it here, and then we're going to make use of this for that start to implement the mode. So we're going to say start. So we can say start dot s underscore I read. So this is just going to set it to be only readable mode. We can't write to this file any longer. Once I run this is of our testing.tsc that I'm writing to. I can no longer write to it any longer. So that this is just basically what you did. OS change the mode, this file we're getting, and this start is going to help us to set it to I read. So I'm going to do for that of also for writing only. So but let me bring this up. So let me run it. See, can see it ran successfully without any problem. Then let's go back to that file and try editing like how we were playing around with it earlier. So this is the list. Let me try writing it again. Let me try writing something on it. Okay, I can see my VS Code tend to prompt me something like fail to save test.py, testing.py. File is read only. Select override to attempt to make it writable. You can see, meanwhile, we are able to write to this file, but right now we can no longer write to it. We can only read the content in the file. If we try writing, it's going to prompt us an error. So let's also do for that of, you can see, but we can actually overwrite by clicking on this overwrite, and then we can continue to write on it. So let's also make it that we can write to it, we can read. It to writable mode only. We just come here to put our s on as write. This is going to make it not to be able to be we can write, set the mode to write, and we cannot read it, but this does not actually work properly. This is for you to set this not to be able to be readable, you need to manually set that, but doing this is just going to remove the permission to read the file, but it won't stop you from reading the file. So that's basically what I want us to do in this video. Next, we are going to do walk through all files in our system. That's basically what I want us to do. So I'll be happy to see you in that video. Thank you for watching.